Hello everyone, welcome to Technama Solutions YouTube channel again. Now we're going to learn cut, copy and paste. So to cut a sentence, first you have to select and click on cut and click any other place on the page and paste it. So it is used to move the paragraph or a line from one place to another on the page. We can do this by shortcut as well. So select the paragraph, Control plus X for cut, click anywhere on the page, Control V for paste. And next is copy. So copy is also same like cut. We have to select the whole sentence or a paragraph and just give copy and click anywhere in the page and paste it. So copy is used to make another copy of the same word or a sentence and paste it elsewhere. And we can use shortcut as well. Select the paragraph, Control C copy, down, Control V for paste. Next option is styles. So to use the style, select line or a paragraph, click on more button and you can choose any options, and to make it normal again click on normal here, it becomes normal. And next is find. If you click on find, it is used to find a word or a sentence in a page. For example, I want to find you and just you can see I've just typed there. So wherever you is there, everywhere it will highlight. And next is replace. If you click on replace, you can change words or a sentence. So instead of you, I am changing into we. And if I click on replace all and just give OK, so you can see wherever you was there, everywhere it has changed to we. And next we have insert tab. In insert tab we have cover page. So if you click on cover page, you have different options here. So cover page is used to give a title to a document. So according to your subject, you can give the title. So I am choosing this one. So my topic is all about computer and subtitle I am giving as MS Word. And to change the cover page, you can choose any other options. And to remove the cover page, click on cover page and remove current cover page, it goes. And next we have blank page. So blank page is used to add a page between a page or top or bottom of a page. So it is used like this. So click on the page and give blank page. You can see bottom of the page you got a new page. If you want top of the page, a blank page, so click at the top of the page and give blank page. So you'll get a blank page on the top. And next we have page break. So page break is used to move a paragraph or a line to another new page. So click anywhere on the paragraph or a line and just give page break. You can see the paragraph has gone to a new page. And next is table. So table is used to type words using rows and columns. So if you drag like this, so rows and columns will be coming. So if you want exact rows and columns according to your requirements, just click on insert table and type the columns and rows. So I am typing 6 columns and 6 rows and I am giving OK. If you click inside the table, you will get design and layout, extra tabs to edit the table. So we click on design and if you click on more button here, so you can see different table styles. According to your requirements, you can choose. And you have table style options. So by clicking this, you can change the styles. If you want normal table, just click on normal, again plain table. And next one we have shading. So shading is used to give colors to the table. So just select a row or a column and give any color. And to remove the colors, again just select the whole table, click on shading, and no colors, it goes. And next one we have pen color here. You can choose any color and you can click on the lines. To make it normal, just click on the pen color, click on automatic, again click on the lines, or instead of that just give Ctrl Z, it goes back. And to edit the whole table, just select the whole table, select different lines, and you can choose outline. According to your requirements, you can choose. Again, to make it normal, just click on lines, again click on normal line, go to borders and give all borders, so it becomes normal. And next we have layout. So in layout you have draw tables. You can select the draw table and draw the rows and columns like this. And to remove you have eraser, so you can click on each line and remove it. Instead of this, just give Ctrl Z, it goes back. And next option we have delete. So delete cell in the sense you can click anywhere in the table. Cell in the sense a box. So I want to delete maths, so delete cells and just give OK. So you can see the math cell as deleted. And delete column, the whole column will get deleted. Row, the whole row will get deleted. Delete table, the whole table will get deleted. And next we have insert above. First, suppose if you have missed a student name, you want to add it in between, so just click anywhere and insert above, you will get a row. If you click below, it comes at the bottom. If you click above, it comes on the top. And next we have insert left. If you click on insert left, you will get a left column. And if you click on insert right, you will get right side one column. And next one we have merge cells. Merge cells is to merge the lines. So you can select whichever lines you want to get merged and click on merge cells. And next we have split. If you click on split, you can add in one cell different columns. So you can add any columns according to your requirements and just give OK. And next one we have split table. If you click on split table, the table will get splitted into half. And next, if you want to adjust the height and width, you can just increase from here or decrease. And width also you can increase from here or decrease it. And you can change the alignment as well. And text direction, you can change the direction of the name. And next one we have sort. If you click on sort here and click on descending and give OK, it will arrange to descending order. Again, if you want to change to ascending, click on ascending and click on OK, and it will convert to ascending order again. And next one we have convert to text. If you click on convert to text and just give OK, the table will be gone, only the table format of the words will be there. And next one we have layout. If you click on formula and just give OK, you'll get the total of one student. If you want remaining students also to get totaled, just give down arrow, control Y, down arrow, control Y, down arrow, control Y, down arrow, control Y. Like this you can add marks. And that's it for today, and we will meet in the next session. Thank you. If you liked our video, please subscribe, hit the like button and bell icon for more updates. And do follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are in the description.